Went out on this top load washer yesterday. Customers complained that sometimes it wouldn't start, getting worse. So I went ahead and took a look at the board, the switch on the board. It's a Momentary switch. When you press it, it should read 0 ohms or somewhere in there, 0.1, 0.2, and it was not. So I went ahead and replaced it. I carry these on my truck stock. Some have 2 pins, sometimes 4. Some are surface mount components, so I just carry a bunch of different ones. You can get them on Amazon. So I went ahead and desoldered it, and then soldered the new one in. It was a little tricky because these pads on the older units, sometimes the solder doesn't want to stick, and so you can really clean them up with isopropyl alcohol and a brush, and as well as use flux. A couple of tricks to use if you have a problem with the solder sticking to the pad. You want to keep the tip tinner and tin the tip periodically. That'll save your tips in the long run. And so I use flush cutters to cut the leads off, and you can make them nice and short that way so they don't short out something else on the board. So when I tested it, 0.1, 0.2 ohms when you press the button. That's what it should be. And put it all back together and tested it out. And we are good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you have any questions, let me know. And we'll see you next time.